Crops has started a separate business vertical called Crop Solution, and here we are displaying some of the products related to the crop solution, as well as our the tractor business, which are the tractors basically. Now, from the crop solution side, we have come up with a unique solutions, value-added products for the complete paddy mechanization. The paddy cultivation has not been never been easy so far, because we are providing a complete end-to-end solution right from tillage to the harvesting. Many of the competition is providing the solutions, but not as a complete package. So that is our the unique selling proposition. We are providing puddler with a 6065 tractor, which is a 65 HP tractor with a 4-wheel drive and a unique combination. This has never been seen in the Indian paddy cultivation. It is a usual myth that the bigger HP tractors doesn't work in the paddy field, but we have proved and has been successfully working in the state of Andhra Pradesh, specifically in the very heavy black cotton soils also. We have shown the value proposition to the farmers. The quality of the puddling is really good. There's a lot of saving on the water, the fuel, the cost and the labor cost and everything. So once you lay a very good foundation with respect to the puddling, then here we go with respect to, and we have come up with a very beautiful model of a centralized low-cost nursery model, where you provide the very good, you develop very good nursery cakes, and you transplant those things with our paddy transplanter, a very improved high technology transplanter imported from our technology partner. Yeah, we have the tractors, many models are there, but for the paddy cultivation we are promoting one model called as 6065, and that model 6065 is a tractor and that fits for all applications. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So the farmer need not, or the farmer need not have to invest on multiple tractors. So one tractor works with all the kind of the implements, and also has a very lot of fuel efficiency, a lot of value proposition with respect to the tractor. And also we have the power weeder, and this power weeder, we have tested, we had given with a farmer, and the farmers were, when we were giving, and the farmers challenged us that, this is not going to work. And once they used it, they were very fantastic. They're looking into the result, the way it worked, and they were very happy. So, what we can proudly say that this is a power weeder which has been working in India, and very proven technology. Yeah, and also, before coming to the dealerships, we have another Didong harvester. It's again an imported technology, a very fuel efficient technology. Now coming to the dealers, we have appointed almost around 5 dealers in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and we are looking out for the dealerships in the other states also. So this is how we are best placed with the market penetration in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and we are quite aggressive, and also in terms of the scaling our network in the state of Andhra Pradesh, so that our value proposition reaches to the millions of farmers of Andhra Pradesh.